Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? It's time to draw a smiling flower. To start, let's draw a circle in the middle of the paper. To make eyes, put one each side of the circle. Let's put a huge smile on our flower. Petal. Draw petals around the circle like this. Cool! What's left? Oh, the stem! Let's draw two curves down from the circle to make the stem. Let's do this to put some grass around the flower. Now, to finish, let's put a little leaf on the stem. And your beautiful flower is ready.